Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about inflation, how bad it's going to get, what you guys should do, and a whole lot of other things about diversifying yourself. We're going to talk about things like how gig companies are not paying you very well, what you can do about this, and unfortunately, the easiest thing is to complain about it, and that's what we're going to talk about not doing. Because there's either two people in life, and those are the people who are going to complain about things, and there's the people who are going to actually take action and do the best they possibly can with the situation. Now, of course, you know, from my channel, we're going to talk about the latter, because complaining is the easier thing to do, and it is not something that is actually going to benefit you in the future. Complaining doesn't really solve anything. So there's lots of things going on. For one, if you guys haven't noticed, our inflation's about to skyrocket. Gas prices have been going up. Electricity prices have gone up. Just about everything is going up. But what is really going to take an effect is products that you guys buy. Now, as someone who owns a company that sells products, imports them, designs them, and all the things in the middle, I feel like I'm pretty well versed in this category, and I know for a fact that shipping containers, which you guys are like, I don't care about shipping containers. Well, shipping containers are how we get all of our products from the China over to America. And now what this means is, well, for example, a shipping container cost me about $2,000 prior to all of this inflation. Now a shipping container costs around $16,000. That's 8 times as much as it used to cost. So a lot of companies are going to be forced to increase the prices. As me, as a footwear company owner, we're going to have to increase our prices a bit too to kind of match inflation, because it's literally going to cost us almost twice as much to make shoes as it used to cost previously. Now, what does this mean for you guys? Well, our dollar is going to drastically decrease in value. I mean, like, when something is costing us 8 times more to import, it's going to drastically affect our dollar. So our dollars are about to go from, if I could take a guess, I would say they're going to be going from $1 to about 70 cents in value. So about 70% of that value is going to hold. Now, of course, I'm not I'm not like someone who typically reports on financial stuff, but I felt like this is a very necessary video for me to make. Now, what did I do? I just invested in a bunch of cryptocurrency. I basically took all the money in my savings account and I put it in new cryptocurrency. For those of you who are wondering which ones, I do Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin. XRP is by far my main one because I feel that XRP, well, from what I've heard, basically, I'm not a crypto expert, so don't take everything I say. Maybe go watch a crypto video on this after. But I did put my money where my mouth is, and I put a few $1,000s into XRP coin today, because XRP is known to be the easiest traded coin internationally. Now, someone can correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I see it for. A lot of people have told me, a lot of experts. I watch a lot of crypto podcasts and all that stuff. So in my opinion, XRP is going to be one of the next coins that's going to drastically go up in value. And it has quite a bit since I've been investing to it. I started investing to it about 3 years ago, and it is quintupled in its value since I started investing into it. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys is, for one, you got to start saving your money. Everything's going to cost a lot more. And if you are going to buy something, maybe you should buy, like, if you're doing your holiday shopping, get it done now before you see those prices increase, because I bet you those prices are going to really increase around the holiday season, when the companies know that, yeah, we have to charge more, and everyone's going to be buying stuff no matter what. So companies like Nike and Apple and all the biggest companies, you're going to start to see those prices slowly go up if you haven't yet already. Now, I would say we're probably about 1 month away from this all really kicking in. Now, I'm not like a psychic or anything, but I do pay attention to a lot of money stuff, and I hope this comes as a good, solid warning. Again, Paul Revere here telling you guys, hey, be prepared for the worst. Now, as gig drivers, which most of my audience is, a lot of people are saying, well, if inflation's going up, why don't they pay us more? Well, the thing is, they don't have to, because I'm just giving you guys the harsh reality. This is a job that you're doing where it's not, the qualifications for this job are not that high. And if you're working a job where qualifications don't really mean too much, then they're going to start to get, I wouldn't say phased out, but like it's going to get watered down, right? As much as people want to go on strike and stuff, the harsh reality is there's other people who are going to do these jobs, and it's always going to be there. Think of it as like a quick secondary way. Like that's why I just do casual dashing here and there, just doing it on the way when it's convenient for me, because it's not a solid source of income. And as things are going to rise and increase in prices, I don't really think that your payments from these companies are going to go up as well. I would probably say they're not, and it's going to take a while for these prices to eventually go up because the companies are going to get away with what they can. Now, of course, people are going to say, well, these companies are evil and they should be paying us more. It's not fair. Well, the unfortunate truth is people are always going to do them, you know? Like I just said, people are always going to do these jobs. People are desperate. People have lost their jobs. And people, this is like it's like a way of transitioning from one job to another. I think of it as the ultimate transitionary job and way of moving up the ladder. So if you guys were to focus in any time in your life, I think right now is a very good time because we have never really seen inflation like it's going to. Like back in the 2008 and even times before, it's never even looked remotely like this. And they're about to pass a $3.5 trillion bill. And you know what that means? That's what I believe it's about $7 trillion that they've just kind of just poofed. It just like appeared out of nowhere. It's like, and that means that our money is going to drastically drop in value. So things like cryptocurrency would be my number one suggestion. That's because it seems that cryptocurrency is going to go up in value because companies or people are going to trust their government less with their money after they see how much devaluation is especially about to come. So get on it. Like cryptocurrency is actually relatively cheap right now. It's at one of the highest it's been. But if I was to predict something, I would say it's about to go up quite a bit because a lot of people internationally, nationally, all over the world can put money into this cryptocurrencies, and it's going to affect people, or it's going to yield different results for people, but it's not like you don't want to get in and be like a day trader or something. You don't want to be like watching it every single day. What I did was I took all the money that I'm not going to need in the immediate 2 weeks before I get another payment from one of my clients that I don't need this money, so I should probably put it somewhere because especially in the next few weeks, it should go up, in my opinion. Now, don't take everything I say literally. Go do your own research, but I hope this can come as a good warning to you guys because even though this is mostly a gig driving platform, finance is probably one of the most things that I'm interested in. It's how money works, what happens, and I just think right now is very, very important time to diversify your sources of income, diversify where your money's at. Generally sitting in just like a checking account is probably not a good idea right now because that money is going down, and if you have it at least diversified, it could go up in value, right? I made a post on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, it's at Tanner Markley. I made a post earlier today when I first started like reading about, not first, I've been reading into this stuff for months now. It's kind of been all the warning signs of inflation coming. But just today, I think I've made around like $300 in cryptocurrency just investing into it. Now I'm investing thousands of dollars, right? So it's not that big of a deal. It's like a 3 to 5% increase, but at least putting your money in different places should be something you guys should start looking into. And if you don't understand crypto or stocks or anything, I personally am not going to put any money in stocks right now because I know when all this inflation comes, companies are going to get devalued a little bit more. So unless you're very stock savvy, which I doubt any of my viewers are, because that's just not what we like do on this channel. It's not like a stock-based channel or anything. I would highly suggest the cryptocurrencies that I'm investing in at least, but again, take everything I say with a grain of salt because I am no crypto expert, but I have seen very good results from it. Anyways, the cryptos, just because I know you guys are going to ask, is XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Those are the ones that I invest into. So All I can tell you is things that I actually invest into. There's probably tons of other coins out there. And let me know in the comments down below, what are the coins that you guys invest to most? But also, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to make a solid, put out a good warning for you guys, because I think inflation's about to hit it's about to go really, really high. So anyways, if you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to put out as much free information as I possibly can, help you guys navigate through life a little bit easier, and hopefully understand ways and reasons why businesses do things, and of course give you as many tips and tricks as you possibly can, so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and also smash that like button. We will see you in the next one. Hopefully everyone can take something from this video. Peace, guys.